everybody. So this canvas that I'm painting on right now is from the sandwich pour of the last video. I came back to look at it like a half hour later and I had left too much paint on it and it had morphed into ugliness. So I scraped it all off and we are going to start again with a very simple flip and drag, just using blue and yellow. So I should end up with some greens in there. Sometimes I think I make it too complicated, throw too many colors in there. So I'm just gonna go with the two colors and the white negative space. Let's zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So I, of course, am going to use Prussian blue. And then this yellow is Grumbacher Process Yellow mixed with iridescent medium and 2 drops of Spot On Treadmill Silicone. And then the Prussian blue. And my white paint is Dutch Boy. You can look up my paint mixing playlist. So we have had some beautiful weather and school. Yesterday was the first day of summer break. So you may have noticed I haven't been putting up videos as much. I mean, we had a lot going on in May. And now the weather's really nice. So before it gets killer hot, I've been, you know, I kind of get the winter depression. So now that it's nice out, I'm like, oh, outside, you know. So enjoying that. Went to the dog park yesterday and walked to coffee with a friend this morning. So, but then I am going out of town in 2 days. So then there will be another few days without me. All right, so this white I mixed up. It seems like there is water on top, even though I mixed it pretty well. Maybe it's just my imagination. No, that's pretty watery. You know what? I've got another cup right here. I'm going to sometimes you just gotta switch cups so that you can get all the denser parts off from the bottom. And let's pour it back. Still seems a little thin, but I think it'll be okay. Yeah, we did have a couple days of like 90 plus. Okay, that is, I'm gonna put a little bit thicker white on it. We had some days of really hot, which I hate. But then yesterday and today were really nice. All right, so I'm going to have to go back and thicken up that first white. Sure seemed plenty thick, and I hardly added any water to it. Kind of odd. I'm going to torch all these little bubbles out of here from shaking that other white. So hopefully this will give me a really pretty, some really pretty greens. I thought I had, I'm just going to use my medicine jar again, and because I can't find anything else right now. So a little bit white, or yellow. Whew. Well, it has been 3 days since I painted, so. Blue. It's starting to set. Okay, so that's enough blue. All right. All right, so far pretty. The color looks good. I don't want all that falling off. So I'm going to scoop up a little white into here, just from here. I'm going to start tilting. Wow, that is really green. I may... No, I'm going to use this thin white, I suppose. I'm going to add some... I'm going to make a white and blue one. To kind of dull down that green a little. I wanted green, but that's a lot of green. Where to start? Whoa. That's better. There's some neat stuff going on over here. Look at it just popping up. course, I am going to be tilting most of it off. So far, that is my favorite. Something I don't like. Can't really figure out what it is. I think it has to do with this though. I'm going to invent one of these days a paint vacuum. Not like a suction, because it's going to do more. It's going to like totally clean the area that you don't want the paint in. All right, now I'm going to finish tilting this and then I'm going to pour the white on. Going to torch it and then see what else I need to do. There's some weird, there's a square cell. So the torching really brought the yellow up, which I do like. Look at this area right here. That's so pretty. All right, so now I need to add white along this side. Because the canvas is showing through. some green up there. Yeah, we got a fingerprint. There, I think this finger's clean. Right here, there's like a little silicone divot. Sometimes where the silicone hits the canvas, the paint just doesn't want to be right there. So I fixed that, and everything else looks good. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.